Hello there, my name is Joseph Oyengo, and here is a compilation of list of bird species found within Egerton University. Actually, it's not some kind of a list, but some kind of a slideshow presenting the birds found within Egerton University with an outline of the various locations that you might expect to find them and their names, stroke species names. At the end of this is a small speech about the way the birds are within the Egerton University. It's like a start for the presentation, and maybe a better one will be done on the next episode that will be produced of the birds of Egerton University. Thank you. So I'm an undergraduate at Egerton. With this course, maybe one of the fun things I had to like through the course was ornithology. Through ornithology, I got to study much of the species of birds, and this even made my time easier when I was touring within other parts of Kenya. Like during those moments when I was in Meru National Park, I found it very easy to interact with the bird species that are there. And also taking my time as a tour guide while at Meru National Park, it was one of the best fun experiences. So with studying birds, I get the best out of what life can provide. Ornithology is not actually the best thing for everyone, but it's one of the coolest ventures if you can make your way to succeed in ornithology. So if you wanna be much of the ornithology guy, you'll have to quit sleep. That's one of the disadvantages with ornithology, because you have to rise up very early in the morning and go with the birds as they also rise up. Because as we know, birds are those kind of creatures that utilize the amount of energy that they have due to the fact that they don't want to waste much of their energy, which are very essential for them in maintaining flight. So in most cases, birds rise up in the morning, and during the morning, that's when they get food. And probably when the sun begins to choke or to come out very bright, they'll keep cool or stay low in their activity, and that will go on at low momentum till during the peak times of the day, and they will only be back again to our major vicinity or major areas that are exposed to us during the evenings when the temperatures have cooled down. So my best time is the morning, because actually in the evening there's too much interruption, so you can't enjoy study of birds during the evening. At this time, many people are very active and there is too much interference, so you cannot enjoy your experience in ornithology, except if you are in a natural setting, maybe in the forest, for example Kakamega Forest, or if you are in Egerton University, maybe you go to the botanical garden or around the lecturer home places of residence, or probably walking along the Ndarugu River. Still you can enjoy the scenery that are provided along and enjoy the bird life that are also available there. And for the morning case, you just have to walk freely. You'll find it very exciting, especially at the morning, because actually your mind will be fresh, you'll be feeling cool, and with those temperatures the activity itself will be generating heat, so there is not much to fear about cold. You also get to see major, sorry for that interference, it was somehow technical during the machine. So I was talking about the enjoyment during the times of the morning. At these times of the morning, you get to interact with majority of the species of birds that have just risen. Some of them are very hungry, maybe going for the worms. There's a competition to catch the flies that are still roaming. Most of the flies are dull during that time of the day, and typically you'll get that a large collection of bird species are easy to spot during the morning. And if you are at Egerton University, the best parts that you can explore for bird watching, you can go through the Egerton West Lagoon that's located around the Egerton main gate. So there is a West Lagoon placed there majorly for the recycling of wastewaters, and that place has created a micro ecosystem, like aquatic like. So you find various species of birds there, maybe like the yellow-billed duck. We have the Egyptian goose. You'll be finding majority of the egret and the herons around that place. We also have the swifts that are very fond of the second pond, and we have others like the moorhen, and not to forget about the crows themselves, the pied and the cape rook. We also have the grey-capped crane and many other species of birds around that area. So that place itself, it has created magic. And you can go through the pavilion itself that acts as the playground for the crows. If you go to that time during the morning, I think that place should be the best for anyone interested in research on the crows or the Cape Brooks. And another place to venture in is walking through towards the Tartan Park. Through the Tartan Park itself provides a great environment and has a diverse amount of bird species, all through towards Botanical Garden. When you reach the Botanical Garden, that itself now will be like a heaven for the birds and a beauty for the bird watchers. So that will go hand in hand in presenting you the best of quality stuff that you can like to watch. Apart from that one, you can still walk through the agricultural park. There you will find majority of the birds that are used to now interacting with livestock and with the farmland. Some that also take advantage of our farm products, maybe like those that are being farmed around. We have like the maize being farmed around Egerton Park. You can also, while at the farmland, you can explore through the maize plantations, walk through them, and while walking through that, you will find large amounts of bird life, especially the citrines. Very many around those areas. So you'll walk through and connect back to Ndarugu River. If you have connected back to the Ndarugu River, you can walk along that place until you connect back to the Buruburu areas, stroke hostels. And I think those are some of the major parts. If we leave alone the lecturer areas of residence, which those areas are typically good for almost all parts of the day, because in those areas the environment remains cool and there is always minimal interference from students. So that place, maybe you can reserve it for a full day expedition. So thank you, and you're welcome to Egerton. Next time you come, check out if we are available. If we are available, we'll take you through the tour. Thank you. Remember to subscribe.